Hello guys, Salman Naseem here from HDsheet. Welcome to my Learn Animation series. This series is all about creating a cartoon and animation with the help of free and open source software Blender. As per roadmap, we'll start with the basic and learn different techniques of animation with the help of add-ons and few other free tools, and different techniques of character building within Blender. At the end of this series, you will be able to create animated videos with the characters by yourself. If you are from South Asian country or understand Hindi or Urdu language, we have very similar series for you in your language, and the visuals you are seeing right now on the screens are few renders from this series. Without wasting further time, let's dive into our.
Okay, let's get started. To download the tool, go to blender.org and download the latest version and install it like a normal software and open it. We have welcome screen with few presets. Click on any empty area to get rid of this. First we'll talk little about the interface of the Blender. We have viewport here with the cube, camera and the light. At the right side we have outliner which defines whatever we have in a viewport. At the bottom we have timeline, which is very useful for the animation purpose. Inside the viewport we can zoom in by clicking here or by middle mouse button. On the left side we have T menu or the transform menu, which help us to work in a viewport. Like if we select the move tool and click on any handle we want, that will help us to change the location of our cube. Same goes for the rotation and scale. We can access all these with our keyboard, like S for scale on a keyboard, R to rotate, and G to move. All commands are also visible once we click on any command at the bottom side under the timeline. At the top right side we have different options for the shading. Like if we click here, that will bring us to the wireframe mode, the solid mode, materialistic mode, last but not least the rendering mode. We can access these also with our keyboard shortcut by clicking Z to access this menu. On the right side we have properties menu, which include material, environment, modifiers and all other kind of stuff related to the rendering, lighting and final output. Okay, to get started we select the cube and click on the move tool here and move little bit a cube away from the origin point. Click Shift A or click on add button, click on mesh and add the plane. Hit a tab button to go to the edit mode. Hit Alt A button to deselect all the vertex. What is the vertex? To see that, we'll select all three of these and hit X or delete to get rid of these and select vertex. So we end up with just one dot, that is called vertex. If we extrude it by clicking E, we'll have one edge with two vertex. We select the edge from there by selecting this and extrude it again. We have one plane here. And lastly, we select face from here and click there and extrude it again. Finally, we have one cube. Once we're done with it, the tab button to get rid of edit mode. As this series is all about the animation, there should be something in an introductory lecture that lead us to another thing, that is N menu or the navigation menu. We can access it by clicking here or by clicking N button on your keyboard. We take our mouse to the location and click the right mouse button and click on insert keyframe. Once we've done that, we have one keyframe here. We'll drag little bit on a timeline and change the location of our cube. After that, we follow the same procedure again. If we drag our cursor from here, we'll notice that our cube start animating in between these frames. Okay, that is your first animation. As all values like the rotation and the scales are animatable in Blender, that means if we click something here, we can add keyframe, which means we can animate it at any time we want. That is first assignment for you, to make the animation with the help of rotation and the scale. See you in the next video.
If you want to become a good artist or animator, then practice is the key. So keep practicing and learn more. If you have any difficulty in understanding this tutorial, feel free to comment or post in a group. At the end of this video, I am tagging with the two my solo short animated films which are totally made on Blender. So don't forget to watch these short films. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Thank you.